Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, look, I'm in the laundry aisle at Dollar General. I'm sure you can tell by the signs. And this is a new week full of deals, guys. Dollar General is going to be on fire this week. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do. But before I get started, do me a huge favor and hit that subscription button and the bell right next to it. I'm on my road to 15K by June 30th or July 1st, whichever you want to help me hit it. But I do need you guys to hit that subscription button because I can't do it without you. Now, the deal that we're going to do is going to be a deal that you can do a whole bunch of different ways. It just depends on how your budget is, what type of detergent you like to use, or what type of detergent your customers like to buy. So I'm going to show you all kinds of different ways to do this. And the best part about this deal is you don't need any coupons out of the app, and you don't need any paper coupons. You don't need to submit your receipt to anywhere. It's just all instant savings. So if you're not aware, this week at Dollar General, and when I say this week, I'm referring to today, which is April 29th through May 4th, you could take advantage of this deal, okay? So Dollar General has a deal. It is instant savings, where if you spend $20, you save $5 off instantly. And I'm going to show it to you on the app. Spend $5, get $5 off when you spend $20 on select Arm & Hammer products. So you want to go through and gather $20 worth of Arm & Hammer products. Not every Arm & Hammer product is included, so be sure that you scan. What I'm going to focus on is I'm going to focus on the detergent. So there's all different size detergents you can get. You can get the small bottles, which are $4. You can get the medium bottles, which are $6. Or let's say you can get the extra small bottles, which are $4. The small bottles, which are $6. You can get the bags of pods, which range from $9.50 or $4.25. Then you have what I call the medium bottles, which are $9.50. You can also get the OxyClean for $4. You can get any scent, guys. There's more of the medium bottles for $9.50. Or you can even get the Arm & Hammer detergent plus softener, which is 77 loads for $9.50. Now, please keep in mind the sensitive skin is 105 loads. The plus oxy is 77 loads if you're looking at the number loads instead of the ounces for the price. And then they also have these, which are the stain fighters plus oxy, and those are $6. Again, those are what I call the small ones. I call these the large ones, the ones that are $9.50. And then the ones that I call the extra large are the ones that are $12.50. So depending on how your store is stocked will determine how you're going to be able to do this deal. So let me show you all the different ways that you can do this deal so that you can save the $5 instantly. Remember, you just have to get your total to $20. And this would also be an excellent deal to do on a Saturday to add in your 5 off 25. So one scenario would be to grab 2 of the 50 ounce or 50 loads. Again, doesn't matter which scent. Yes, it's the 50 fluid ounce. Those are $6. That brings you to $12. Then grab 2 of the 25 loads or the 32.5 ounce, and those are $4. That adds up to exactly $20. Here you see we have, hold on, my camera's not focusing. I apologize. We have the 50 loads for $6. And then when I scan, and you see that that one is a part of the deal. Then you have the 25 loads for $4, and you see that one's also a part of the deal. So this comes to exactly $20. So once we go up to the register, the cashier hits total, we'll be paying $15 out of pocket for 4 bottles of detergent. Guys, I think that's an excellent deal, especially without having to use any coupons. Now, another way you can do this deal, especially if you're looking to get the most bottles out of your buck, then you want to grab 5 of the $4 detergents. Again, that brings you to exactly $20. You go to the register, they hit the total button, it will come down to $15. So that's like paying $3 per bottle. These are excellent to put in gift baskets, college baskets, because I know a lot of people are getting ready for graduation gifts and college baskets for the kids to go back to school. These are the perfect size, and it doesn't make it too heavy for the kids to carry them back and forth to the laundry room. So 5 of these bottles will cost you $15 or $3 a bottle. Okay, so another variation of the deal would be to grab one of the extra large detergents, which is 140 ounces. And again, make sure that you scan to make sure it's part of the deal. Those are $12.50. And when I scan them, you see I get $5 off when I spend $20. And then add 2 of the little bottles in, the extra small bottles, which are $4 each. That will bring you to $20.50. When the cashier hits the total button, then you will pay $15.50 out of pocket. Again, excellent, excellent deal. Another way you can do the deal is by grabbing one of the large and one of the extra larges. The extra large is $12.50, and the large, which I consider the large, which is 77 loads or 100.5 fluid ounces, those are $9.50. And again, you see I scan, and it is part of the deal. Get 5 off when you spend $20 on select Arm & Hammer. So then this would bring your total to $22. $12.50 and $9.50. And then when they hit the total button, it will deduct $5. So that would be $17 for each one of these, or $8.50 each. So guys, those are all of your choices as far as the liquid Arm & Hammer is concerned. I focused on the liquid because that's what I preferably like as far as Arm & Hammer is concerned. And those are the ones that go best with my customers and my budget. But again, like I said, you can do this deal with the packs or power packs or whatever pods Arm & Hammer calls them. I just chose not to do those. So come back, let me know what you decided to do with your deal, whether you got the extra small, the large, the medium, or the extra large. And let me know what you spent out of pocket. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.